Let's see what this $3,500 full titanium exhaust sounds on this Nissan 350Z. We got a full Tomei titanium catback exhaust. We got a full titanium wide pipe exhaust. And hidden in the shadows, we have a full titanium header from Tomei. So we already know this thing's about to sound wickedly loud. Let's get a cold start. Let's take it for some revs and let's get some flybys before they take this 350Z away today, because it's going out for its full verification so that we can go ahead and hopefully give this car away to one of you.